Now we are going to the graphical representation of the polynomial. Before going to the definition, we are going to the polynomial definition. What is the definition of polynomial? An algebraic expression containing non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. And in our first class, polynomial, types of polynomials, degree and zeros of the polynomial we are learning. In our last class, zeros of the polynomial we are finding. Now in this class we are going to the graphical representation of the polynomials. Now first we are going to the linear polynomial graphical representation. What is the linear polynomial? I am taking a polynomial ax plus b where a is not equal to 0 has exactly only one 0. That means if you take a polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 2. Now the polynomial graph representation like this. It is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. Now x plus 2, that means x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 2. Here we can draw a line. This represents the polynomial x plus 2 graphical representation. And namely the x coordinate of the point where the graph of y is equal to ax plus b intersects the x-axis. In this case, what is the x coordinate? X equal to minus 2. Where minus 2, the polynomial graph is represented. Now see here one more time. Linear polynomial ax plus b where a is not equal to 0 has exactly one 0. Linear polynomial have only one 0. And namely that 0 is x coordinate. The 0 of the polynomial is x coordinate of that given polynomial, and where the graph of y is equal to ax plus b intersects the x-axis. Where it is intersects ax plus b, that means ax plus b equal to 0, ax equal to minus b, x equal to minus b by a. At x equal to minus b by a, the graph is intersects the x-axis. Now the graph representation is like that. In this case, the graph is intersects at minus 2. Now we are going to the graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial we are completing on 9th class. Now we are in 10th class. Graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. In this we have 4 marks question also, graph. Now we can see carefully. The quadratic polynomial, I am taking a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c where a is not equal to 0 forms a parabola. Parabola means like this, either upward or downward. Parabola, either upward or downward. In this case we have 3 cases. One is 2 zeros, quadratic polynomials means 2 zeros, or 1 0 or no 0. If it is having 2 zeros, the graph is like this. It touches the x-axis at 2 points. It intersects the x-axis at 2 points. See here, here also 2 points. Then in this case we have 2 zeros. Now case 2, we have only 1 0. You have to observe here, downward parabola is touches the x-axis at exactly only 1 point. It is upward parabola, it is also touches at only 1 point. Then in this case we have only 1 0. Now the case 3, here there is no zeros. That means the parabolas are not touches the x-axis. Observe here, it is also not touches the x-axis. That means we are saying the given graph touches the x-axis, how many points, that many zeros we have. For example, here the doesn't touches the x-axis, that means no 0. Here one time it touches, now it is 1 0. In this case we have 2 times touches, 2 zeros. If it is touches 3 times, 3 zeros. This is about the quadratic polynomial. That means quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros, at most 2 zeros. And cubic polynomial, if you take a cubic polynomial, can have at most 3 zeros. That means 3 or less than 3. 3, 2, 1 or 0. These many zeros we have. Quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. cubic polynomial has at most 3 zeros. Now we are going to the graphical representation of a polynomial x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. Okay, now we are doing one problem. Draw the graph of a polynomial y is equal to x square minus x minus 6 and find zeros in each case, in this case. See here, y is equal to x square minus x minus 6 graph, we have 4 marks question. Very, very important and damn sure questions. Now you have to observe how to do this. We have a graph sheet like this. Everyone know graph sheet, and back side we have rule paper or white paper. Now you have to do our working in the back side of the graph sheet like this. Now I am taking given, the first point is given y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Now write the tabular form. Now I am taking first x and then you have to take these parts, x square and minus x and minus 6. At final, the total polynomial is equal to the y. Now you can choose the values of x. Now I am taking minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Choose your choice the values of x. Now I am choosing minus 3 to plus 3 the values of x. Now substituting x square, squares of these numbers. If you square the negative number we get positive, positive number is also positive. Now 3 square 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Once observe again, 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square and 9. Either negative or positive we are getting 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Now minus x, just change the symbol. Here it is plus x and it is minus x. That means you have to product with the minus. Minus into minus plus 3, minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 1, minus into 0, minus 0 or plus 0, whatever it is, 0, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into 2, minus 2, minus into 3, minus 3. And then minus 6 is a constant. That means the value is always same in every box. Now y, what is y? X square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. Just 3. These 3 you have to add or subtract. 9 plus 3. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. 6. 4 plus 2. 6 minus 6. 0. 1 plus 1. 2 minus 6. Minus 4. 0, 0 minus 6. Minus 6. 1 minus 1. 0 minus 6. Minus 6. 4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 6. Minus 4. 9 minus 3. 6 minus 6. 0. Once observe here, y values we are getting zeros at minus 2 and 3. Therefore, minus 2 and 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now write some points here. First one, plotting points. Plotting points. What are the plotting points? Minus 3 comma 6, minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 4, minus 1 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 6, 1 comma minus 6, 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma 0. These are the plotting points. And write about the graph. After completing our graph, you can write this here. The polynomial graph forms a parabola. The polynomial graph forms a parabola and it intersects the x-axis at -2, 0 and 3, 0. I will repeat again. The given polynomial forms a parabola or upward parabola. It intersects the x-axis at -2, 0 and 3, 0. And the next point, the zeros of the given polynomial are -2 and 3. -2 and 3. This is about the back side of the graph sheet. Now we are going to graph sheet. I will draw x and y axis. This is y axis. This is x axis. And this is the intersecting point 0, 0 coordinates. And it is x dash axis. And it is y dash axis. Now I am taking the x values -3 to +3. That means we have to take 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like that. And on y axis I want positive up to 6 and negative up to -6. That means I am taking 1 unit, it is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and so on. That means scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to, I am taking 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now the points, what is the first point? -3, 6. On x-axis -3, where it is? This is. And on y-axis 6. On y-axis it is 6. This is. Now these two are intersecting at here. -3, 6. This is the first point. -2, 0. This is -2. And on y-axis it is 0. That means it is the intersecting point. -2, 0. -1, -4. On x-axis -1 and on y-axis -4. And both are intersecting at here. -1, -4. On x-axis 0, on y-axis -6. 0, -6. On y-axis 1, sorry, x-axis 1, on y-axis -6. 1, -6. And the next point 2, -4. 2, -4. And the next point 3, 0. On x-axis 3, y-axis 0. This is 3, 0. And join with freehand smooth curve. Freehand smooth curve. Like this you have to join. Now give the arrow marks for the ending. Why? Because if you take more values of x, you can get the graph. That's why we are taking like this arrow marks compulsory. And this graph name is y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. This is the name of the graph. Y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. And write these points like this. This is the graph about the polynomial x square minus x minus 6. If you draw like this, we get 4 out of 4 marks. Thank you. Like this you have to do remaining problems in the exercise graphs. Tomorrow you have to do x square minus 3x plus 4 graph, and one more graph you have to do. Thank you.